What if everything you knew about AI costs was wrong? While companies spend millions of dollars on premium AI solutions, a breakthrough from China just shattered the entire industry playbook. In January 2025, a startup called DeepSeek released AI models that match GPT-4's performance at just 2% of the cost, and they're completely open source. This isn't just another AI tool, this is the moment that changes who gets access to world-class artificial intelligence. Major hospitals are processing medical scans 40 times faster. Banks are detecting fraud with 95% cost savings. Universities are providing personalized tutoring to thousands of students simultaneously. However, here's the challenge. Most professionals lack the knowledge to harness this revolutionary technology, and those who do possess it have a significant competitive advantage. I'm Brian Newman, and I've spent my career at the intersection of AI innovation and practical implementation. I've helped organizations navigate the most significant technological shifts of our time, and I can tell you with certainty, DeepSeek represents the biggest disruption in AI since the launch of ChatGPT. I've witnessed firsthand how early adopters of breakthrough technologies gain years of competitive advantage. That's exactly what's happening right now with DeepSeek, and that's why I'm passionate about this course. I'm excited to partner with Starweaver to bring you Introduction to DeepSeek, Open Source AI Revolution. This is the definitive course for beginning the journey to master this game-changing technology. In just about 60 minutes, you'll go from curious observer to confident implementer, with the practical skills to leverage DeepSeek's revolutionary capabilities immediately. The key benefits: master revolutionary technology, understand DeepSeek's breakthrough mixture of experts architecture, and discover why it achieves premium results at a breakthrough price. Gain immediate implementation skills. Learn 3 different ways to access DeepSeek through web interfaces, API integration, and local deployment, so you can start applying this technology today. Access verified real-world applications. Shanghai Eastern Hospital improved diagnostic accuracy by 10% through the integration of DeepSeek's medical AI. JD.com and other e-commerce platforms are seeing 22 to 35% increases in conversion rates through DeepSeek-powered personalization. Organizations are redirecting their AI savings into innovation. No theoretical fluff, as every lesson includes practical implementation exercises and real-world application scenarios you can use immediately. Whether you're a developer eager to build with cutting-edge open-source AI, a data scientist looking for cost-effective reasoning models, a business professional exploring AI integration opportunities, or a student wanting to understand the future of accessible artificial intelligence, this course meets you where you are. If you've been watching the AI revolution from the sidelines because of cost barriers or complexity concerns, this is your moment to jump in. The AI landscape is shifting rapidly, and early adopters gain years of competitive advantage. While others continue to pay premium prices for proprietary solutions, you can master the open source alternative that's already disrupting entire industries. Don't wait for DeepSeek to become mainstream. By then, the early mover advantages will be gone. Join us and let's build the future of accessible, powerful, and democratized artificial intelligence together.